Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're not new. My name's Michelle, and for today's video, I have my very first Dior handbag unboxing. If you have been following me for a while, you'll know I have been eyeing this bag for quite a while. I think it was actually on my wish list for 2022, so I'm excited to finally have it. I did also pick up a couple of things, or not a couple. I picked up something small from Louis Vuitton, and then my husband picked up something as well, but I will go ahead and unbox these ones in a separate video. Today we're gonna focus on this special purchase right over here. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox her already. I did get a really great price on this item, and I'll go into specifics about how much I paid, the Hawaii pricing, and stuff like that. But yeah, let's go ahead and unbox because I'm really excited. So something that I really just love about Dior is just like the packaging. I have purchased a lot of things online from Dior, but this was my very first purchase like in store. So yeah, I tried my best to like keep it in perfect condition like when I flew back with it. So I put this one in my carry-on luggage, and then this bag I folded up and then put it on my check-in. But yeah, so yeah, here is the box itself. I have the receipt here, and the packaging is so pretty. But yeah, so let's go ahead and unbox her. How exciting. Do you guys have any guesses? Try not to mess up. Here's the dust bag. And alright, are you guys ready? I got the Dior saddle bag in Latte. Oh my gosh, she is gorgeous. Let me go and take off this. So yeah, this one is my very first Dior handbag. I absolutely love her. Let me go ahead and give you a quick tour of the bag before I go into kind of like some specifics and like a story time of Hawaii, and yeah. So here is the front of the bag. And here is the back of the bag. It does have a back pocket here, which is actually large enough to fit a phone. I really love how this one is a magnetic closure. I do have the felt still in here. And yeah, this is what the inside of the bag looks like. I am thinking of getting like an organizer for this bag just because the interior of the bag really is so light. I kind of do want to protect it because it is that milky, creamy latte color as well that matches the bag. But yeah, so that's what the bag looks like inside. It does have a zipper compartment in here as well. Let me just go ahead and take this one out. But yeah, it does have a zipper inside as well. And it's pretty spacious in there, at least for all of the things that like I'm going to be using for. It is pretty spacious. I love how it has the magnetic closure, and this bag is just so stunning in the latte color. I just feel like the saddlebag just really pops out with this colorway. And so this is the handbag that I got. This one is the Dior saddlebag in Latte. It's the normal size, not the mini size. Here in the mainland, it does retail for $3,800. But in Hawaii, this one costs $3,350 plus a 4.712% sales tax. So all in all, I did pay $3,508 flat for this handbag. And yeah, I absolutely love it. I did save quite a few $100s on this purchase, so I'm just really happy about that. This one has been on my wish list for quite a while now, and I actually was going to go to Hawaii thinking about getting another handbag. Not another handbag, but the saddlebag in another color. Let me go ahead and post it right over here. But when I went to Hawaii, they didn't have it in stock, so I was kind of bummed out about that. But when I saw this one, I still just really love this handbag so much. I just love the color and how it like just pops against the white and the brushed gold. It looks so beautiful. The one that I did want though, it actually did come back in stock the day before I was about to leave. So I contacted my SA who was working at Dior, and she held it for me so that I can see it in person before I had left, just to make sure that I made the right decision, because initially I did come for that specific bag and kind of just settled with this one. But thankfully, when I had, you know, just compared the two side by side at Dior, this one, I think it just popped more, and it just looks so much more like elegant, and I think I could style it more than the one that I saw, because I did like the color initially, but it did look a little bit more cool tone, like more gray than it was like a neutral kind of beigey color. So yeah, I'm very happy with this purchase, and I am just so happy that I can go ahead and check this one off my wish list. So my next couple of uploads, I will show you like what fits inside this bag and also like what's inside of my bag. But in this video, I will show you what it looks like on me. So here's what it looks like on my shoulder. I love how comfortably it sits here on my shoulder. Like it's not too small or not too big. And here when it's my arm is resting against the bag, it just really fits perfectly. Here's what the bag looks like on the crook of my arm. It is so cute. And yeah, this is so exciting that I have my very first Dior handbag. You guys know that I do love my Louis Vuitton. I think I'm probably gonna have to do something about this because I need somewhere to put my new handbag. So yeah, this one's the newest addition to my collection. It's the Dior saddle bag in Latte. I am so happy with this purchase and can't wait to start using her. Let me know if you have any questions about either, you know, shopping in Hawaii or the Dior saddle bag. I'll be happy to answer them. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!